Ender boss here, and welcome back to the thing I'm showing you, this Enderman picture right here, is because I'm gonna change it in May. I wonder what's gonna happen next. Yeah, I want an Enderman face right here, but the first one I want to take is this one. Right here, I'm checking May, so I was wondering which one should I put? This one or you guys choose. And just to be clear, I'm doing 2 videos, yeah I know, because I wanted to do it, but I was bored. And now I cannot do a video with my cousin because my brother's going to do one soon. Let's say hi.
Hi.
You know how to say loud. But it's 9:40 p.m.
Hi, my name is Ronan, and I'm his cousin.
Yeah, the voice is loud. And just to be clear, we're gonna play some quick Roblox. Yeah. Give me a second, guys. Something's going on right here. Oh my god, what's going on? Oh crap, what happened? Hey guys, I'm back on Jailbreak Roblox, so I'm gonna become a prisoner. And yeah, Ronan's here too.
Hey.
Yeah, Ronan's looking for some ladies out there.
How
So
do
if
you
you
have
guys, I don't care. So if you guys want him, so just say it in the chat.
Brian?
What?
You said we'll make a channel that
Shush up. So like shush up. I'm joking, boys. I'm joking, man. You can talk whenever you wanna. Guys, guess what? I'm gonna be like making a face reveal. Wait, but just with my eyes. Nah, I'm joking. I'm gonna have a mask on me, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna have a mask on me. You're gonna ref me all you want. You're gonna die. Come on, hold it, ref. Why are you in jail?
I got arrested from a police.
Why? So
Guys,
it's free card.
he gave me a donut. You know how that feels?
He arrested you?
No. The guy that was at the door. Look like a hot.
Stop! Yeah, got his key card. See ya, sucker.
Yeah, I got his key card.
Okay, I've got the noob following me. Look at her right there. Following me. You guys, crack card? Did you guys just hear him say crack card? You know, I'm going in a vent. I'm going in the sewers. So you have fun with your single-jiggy.
What thing emoji?
Hi, man. No one be following me. See?
Wait for me at the car, okay?
Alright. I'm gonna be driving a car. Car, that's a big soccer ball right there.
There you go. Wait, I'm gonna go through it. Hey guys, we're in my big brother's room because his brother is like a bully. out there.
So, just explain my godmother said, alright, that my cousin got ripped off his skin and blood got come out. So.
No, because in the pool when we were before 2 or 1 o'clock, me, my other cousin,
I'm gonna check if I still got my crap.
The what?
Yeah, I still got it.
His little brother, he put a hole in my butt and my. I do not want to say that.
You guys know what he means, do ya?
And that's
oh, jewelry's open, man.
Oh, what? No, you're not. What kind of food?
Want fast, boy?
It's time to grab. Oh, I put the
I did.
Oh, what?
Better get your gun ready for this, boy. I'm gonna be sleeping in his brother's room.
With me.
That ain't weird, guys. You see it not weird? That ain't weird.
What if we slept together one
time? Oh crap. Oh my god, it won't let me jump a lot. It was a good idea.
I died.
No, I will. Oh god, I'm awake. Oh, look at this. There's a freaking cop with you, man. Alright, guys. So,
say hi to his big brother.
Dylan, did you really have to talk?
Yeah, did you?
Right then, you made him talk. Okay, you got scared, boy. I go here. I go through here. Dang it, I missed. Guys, if I die by falling, okay, I'm gonna make this challenge. I'm gonna fall.
Okay, I'm coming, bye-bye. I'm coming,
Ender boss.
Ender boss.
Huh?
Where are you?
I'm with Bub Dixon. Or Bub Dixon. If you don't know who she is, she's in Sam and Sam and Cat.
Okay, I'm
Sam from the alley car.
I'm at the
Sam
bank.
from I Call It Web Show.
Wait.
Sam Nickelodeon, you rule. Alright.
What?
How they do?
I'm at the bank.
How they do? People keep saying Nickelodeon's better than Disney.
Yeah.
Wait, what do you guys think, huh? But
Wait.
all right, I'm not voting or anything because I want you guys to vote. Wait, I'm talking. Damn, my cousin talks a lot, guys. You're lucky you don't have him as a cousin, all right? You guys are freaking lucky you don't have him as a cousin. Cause he would scream in your ear and call you stuff. Well, that's you. See, he said gay.
No.
We know what the word means, do ya, kiddo? Oh yeah, guys, just to tell you, they added a museum.
Yeah. And also.
Hey, dude. I do the talking right here, right? My channel. But you can talk too if you wanna, but I'm explaining the freaking museum. But really, guys, I haven't robbed the museum yet. What?
What?
Good for you.
Oh shit, there's a car.
Oh crap! I gotta get out. I don't want to start again.
No, there's not a car.
Actually, cops are camping this place, guys.
Yeah, in Jailbreak. Did he
Just keep the light off, man. We're not scared of dark. You're a big boy. You have no reason to be scared of freaking dark. So how the hell are you up there?
The guy got
Wow. Collector. What do you do, my young man?
Well, I don't know.
Yeah, I have no clue what he does, so I have nothing to say. Okay, sorry, that was a little short video. So actually, it only ends at 15 minutes, that's all. Sorry guys. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Right, Ronan?
Yeah.
Yeah. So guys, subscribe to my channel, leave a like, turn on notifications, and you know the Robux thing, it's still coming. I don't have the Robux yet, but I will get it. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Goodbye.